Unity Broadcasting.
All right. Okay. All right, from the Unity Broadcasting Studio, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, Sierra Leoneans. Now, so we will welcome you to another edition of the program Social Media Review, where they come to you every Saturday live from Unity Broadcasting Studio. Social Media Review now a special program where they talk about issues them we get for do with national concern and self-quarantine them where the government don't do for the past weeks and self-quarantine them where they happen now the government. Just like our say, Social Media Review, now a special program where they talk about your role, your duty and responsibility as Sierra Leoneans. And they bring to you happenings where the SLPP government, under the talk and do president they do, for bring development come to the country. Also, we will talk about key developmental strikes them, where don't they happen within the week for make Sierra Leoneans them both home and abroad know but get the right information, but waiting the happen as alone. Members say the program they give you first-hand information on current thing them with under the new direction governments. And we will same way so talk about security and national concern. Well, we will bring this edition of the program come to you today, this Saturday. Mina Elizabeth Campbell, and I get me co-host Wena.
Mina Ibrahim Jakema, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you day. Just like what we host don't say, this is not the program Social Media Review, where they watch at key issue within the program. Inside the program today, we're going to watch at 4 key issues then. For one of them, we all know what's happening within this week. This week like education week. We see President Bill go England on a summit. We will watch us an holistic approach on the education sector. Also, we don't come as the new direction. How far we don't go, also we day. Number 2 program we'll go watch on are the issue on the COI. We all see just recently where they confiscate 6 property them will belong to former APC ministers them. We go watch that issue there also. Number 3 key issue we'll go watch on today at the program. Now, the issue of international confidence. We all know with APC considering them, whether they go and talk, all kind of talk, say President Bill, Northeast, President Bill, the international community, no get confidence in them. But just recently, we see what happened, where the IMF pour beaucoup money on the President Bill in development issue. We also see the issue of the American also pour money on the energy sector. Finally, we not go down this program without watch as key issue on the security sector on this program. We are not going nowhere on a stay tuned. As we panelists they will get here today, we must sabi people from all sectors of government go come into go introduce themselves and we go deal with the issue proper. Over to you, my host.
Well, for help we talk about this program, on the topic them way we just don't highlight. We get senior government officials and senior analysts them in the studio. Well, make a welcome na the studio B.W. Bakari. We come out from the Ministry of Information and Communications. Hello and welcome to the program, B.W. Bakari.
Thank you very much. Famulem, good evening, good afternoon, right. Good morning. Depending on which side una day.
Okay, we get with dynamic woman Ayasuwena Mahawa Benjamin Aliyu. where INSEF then so for analyze the issues them where they deal with now the program. Hello and welcome, Mahawa.
Thank you very much. My pleasure for joining on another program. And I want to say good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to my Salon Fambudem across the world.
All right. And we same way so get a senior government official again by the name of Mohammed Masakoy, where INSEF commits the Ministry of Information and Communications. INSEF then so for add the voice to the program and talk on the topics them we don't introduce. Hello and welcome to the program, Mr. Masakoy.
Yeah, thank you very much, Elizabeth. Family, when I cover any part of the world over day, morning, afternoon, evening.
All right, and we get to another colleague and a special somebody we always ready for be part of this program. We are not less a person, but Abdurrahman Kaikai, we are the Director of Communication and National Youth Service. Hello and welcome to the program, Mr. Kaikai.
Thank you, Elizabeth. Fabulous morning, afternoon, and evening, and welcome to Unity Broadcasting.
All right, well, this we panelists then we go get for talk on the issue. As we all know, the topic we will get for discuss today now on the education sector. Well, you self will get a chance to add your voice on this program. Just send your text message on the number at the bottom of the screen, and the number now +1 34 6493 6503. Or you can same way so go on our Facebook page Unity Broadcasting and watch we live, like the page, share far and wide, and watch we live because we get for talk on national issues, both home and abroad, and issues them we get for do with national concern. And members say we get Unity Broadcasting app. We go come out very soon. And you go same way so subscribe to a Unity Broadcasting YouTube channel where they on already. That if you not get Facebook page, then you can subscribe to the Unity Broadcasting YouTube channel.
Thank you. Thank you, my host. Thank you very much, my host, for that brief information there. Welcome to the topic proper. We all know how President Bio passion about education in this country. At 2012, where we the campaign, one of the key manifesto of education, now free quality education. The Doubting Thomas then they say, if it possible, we say the pull out money day. Come 2008, the same continue that agenda day. They say not possible. Free quality education not possible na salon. Inside President Bio in 1 year, we all see that there be a dream come to a reality where we get for the first time in the history of Salon over 2 million picking them that they benefit from a free quality education. Now bring you Mr. Masakoy from Strategic Communication Unit. Let you discuss small on this issue. Who say we don't come on this education, how far we don't come on, and where we are heading to.
Well, family members say one of the manifesto promises of President Bio in the 2018 elections now been the promise of the people and say it go introduce a free quality education for this country. And in the New Direction manifesto, that will be one of the pillars of the manifesto. And that will be one of even the incentives them when make Sierra Leoneans, well, the reasonable Sierra Leoneans vote for President Bio. You understand? Overwhelmingly during the elections of that year. And like you been say in your introduction, the Doubting Thomas is that they always will say, oh no, this is not possible. Who's they even pull the money? You understand? During the presidential debate, before the leading up to the elections of 2018, we see a lot of their questions there. Who's the money they come on? Who's the money they come on? But President Bio, being a visionary, he know what they do, he know whose impact. Because again, let we put that here into context. The Human Capital Development Program of the President Bio government, it revolves around 3 key areas. And education is one, agriculture is the other, and health. And the three key pillars in that, around which the Human Capital Development Program of President Bio, they revolve. But zooming in on education, August of 2018, it not just stopped there. By January of 2019, we witnessed the launching of the free quality education materials, teaching and learning materials, the government technical school. You understand? We witnessed that one day, the government technical school in January of 2019. And now there during the presentation of the materials, we learned say governments had spent 221 billion for Biden teaching and learning materials then. But before that, we see say the government of President Bio in the supplementary budget of June 2018, they make a lot of alterations to the previous program where they meet and launch their own program there. So by the appropriation, that's the budget of 2018, right? When for the budget for 2019, we see the government increased spending on education for the first time in this country to 21% of GDP. Meaning the government in total budget, 21% of that, they go to education. And as we speak, we don't witness, for example, the benefits of that thing there. Now we are talking of school buses, where now part of President Bio in education agenda, because it's not just a matter of launching the free quality education. It's about taking concrete steps for ensure say the free quality education is actualized, it materialized. And we see government don't do that one day. With the introduction of with the purchase of 50 school buses, where they distribute nationwide, and now begin say, oh, now this part of the country no more vote for me, so I forget. He said, no. Education is a national agenda. The president's agenda. And distributor, right? Equally, fairly. Then we also listen as an attraction and retention policy. You understand? They start with areas then most food insecure. Start with the school feeding program there, and we see donors and they come in. In the launch in August of 2018 of the free quality education, we see a multi-donor basket. You understand? Basket fund open for that. And the proceeds from that, we see it go into the sector. So government also as a form of attraction and retention policy. Because members say, them program there, when they come up with them, it has to be well planned. Otherwise, it go boomerang na you hand. But what thing government do? After they don't bring all the teaching and learning materials, they increase. You see first, we see an increase in the salary of teachers between 2018 to last year. Between 2018 to last year, teachers they witness between 15 to 30% of salary increase. This is also an attractive program where government can with under the education sector, right? Then they move from that to the provision of school buses. Then they also move now from there to the school feeding. They start first with schools and achievements where they say food insecure. Now it is gradually expanding. By early this month, they don't so today. By early this month, we see the school feeding program now extend to chiefdoms Bo and Moyamba. I hope family understand this. And now we don't witness about 2.4 million Pekindan. Now the benefit from the school, the free quality education. What does that mean? That means the money where parents them awards them. Like me, for instance, I'm a parent of several children, and most of me picking are already in a when they're secondary school, a government or government assistant schools that they attend. And what does that mean now? That means that 200,000, 400,000 will be even spent If you're a parent of 2 or 3, for instance, that 300, 400,000 they spend per child, it is being saved. So part of your bread and butter issue will also be addressed. So you don't see the interconnection, the interconnectedness between some of the government policies. They talk about education, but we are also now talking about bread and butter issue being addressed. Because if you are a parent of 2 or 3, government don't save you 200,000, 300,000, 400,000. You're able to put that into food and other issues then to address the home, right? Then we not only stop at that. Now we see, for instance, this year the MPSC, the largest, highest amount ever of candidates, for enter for the MPSC. 161,691 candidates. 161,691 entered for the MPSC, National Primary School Examination, entrance examination. But the unique thing about this one, or what is special about this one this year, is apart from even the pass rates will increase, will improve, you understand? And I will therefore probably maybe put that into context later for let people to understand the pass rate. We go break them down even by district, by region, so let people then see how the impact of the free quality education, the effect don't begin gradually. I'm not saying we are there yet, but it don't begin gradually get in effect. You understand? Because when you even do the regional breakdown, you find out say schools in the north have the highest amount of percentage pass per region. The schools in the north. And this is an area where you go say, okay, they don't vote for President Bio, but they are benefiting directly from his policy, his program, his human capital development agenda, what it been talked about. And these are some of the things, okay, voting for a leader of a government, we get a broad-based national agenda. Then we also see parents will be they buy scratch cards for we picking them. You understand? Then the last scratch card we buy was about 40,000 euros. So let's put 40,000 as the minimum for buy scratch card. But what the government do with the introduction of the DSTI, that is the Directorate of Science, Technology and Innovation. You understand? The DSTI link up now with the MNOs for safe parents the burden of finding 40, 50, 60 or 70,000 euros to go buy scratch card for scratch, forget you picking results. What can happen now is, instead of that, through technology and with the support of the MNOs, where they put hand per the government in free quality education, if it that mamina Kubola, that me Granina Fairo, that mamina Bumaru, you understand? And then remote areas, then sit down at the home there.
I think we get breaking.
Through simple phone,
We get network issue,
a message, they're gonna begin the results them. You understand? So if even when they put the cost of right, that's the 40,000. Government go down. Government save parents. When you multiply 40,000 by 161,691, you are getting something like 6,497,000,000. 400. What government saved parents, and that is what government put into the pockets of people.
Thank you, Masakoy. Okay. We're still on the education. We'll count you back. Now we get the first woman, Mawa, for more small on that sector they back. Because we know what they mean to the comrade now this country, especially the woman there. So while they were more small.
All right. Thank you so much, my brother. And I want to say good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to Miss Sierra Leone and family them across the world. And I want to thank you so much that you joined me this program. And I want to also thank you very much for this program, because this program is very important. And they make me granny self where they all the way in a Kenema. Go know exactly some parents here where government they do. So I'm not go sit down in village and get any mediocre we go lie to them. But still they will not they be begin like saying at this they be. First, I want to take this opportunity for just thank His Excellency, the only talk and do president of the Republic of Salone, President Julius Maada Bio, for being a politician of difference. We don't see many a time politicians that they lie for people them. If you look at this world today, people that go tell you say the most people where you go find out say they lie at this world are politicians. Where they want election, where they want you vote, then they lie to you. They go say so many things for me you vote for them. They at the end of the day they know they fulfill them kind promise them they. But this now one man where we don't see from where I get sense, where are the what politicians that this country or that this world particularly where say one thing where almost everybody been feel safe. It's very impossible, particularly when you talk about the free quality education. When you talk about this introduction, now in 2018 election campaign, that if you now vote for me and I become the president of this republic, I go make education free for una picking them across the country. And no matter who side the picking come out, even the last picking where they na Kamalo, but enjoy free quality education under me leadership as president of this republic. But kupa mi fambo them. Be they say na bogus stock. Now boku talk. Who side this poor man go pull money? Man will not get work for how many years? Who side go pull money for make free education a reality? But this now one man before the election, I see him last week. Make I just say this, make the same point again. Before the elections, that time SLPP get a convention na Holy Trinity Secondary School na Dama Road, Blama Road na Kenema. When I get interview with His Excellency now, President Julius Maada Bio, one thing where he said clearly that I want to build on the human capital of this country. He said we educational system don't fall. Salone are one country where people then be the common across West Africa and other people then they come on other parts of the world. They come to Salone for let them get education. But then if you see Sierra Leone don't they go down right now. If you see Sierra Leone don't go down so much in education, me now one bossy we want for come put education on the map again. President, beyond that interview where I get with him, one thing where he say clearly, he say you can give somebody the money where they in this whole world. And they eat the money, that money that they don't. The only thing where you they give, we go there with them forever and ever, and you go die and care and go nine education. That one they been touch me. But as usual, like when we politicians then can talk, they go tell you say they do one thing, they know they do them. So you're not gonna be so moved in if anyone says something. You go feel saying that any of them promises the way they can make for let them cajole the people their minds, for let them vote for them. But after the 2018 election, President Bio emerged as the winner and become the president of the Republic of Salone. One thing where that man do was so touch me. Now the day where President Bio launched and introduced free quality education across Salone. He said, it no matter if you not Timini picking, Limba picking, Soso picking, Mende picking, Loko picking, once you not Sierra Leonean picking, you get right for benefit from this free quality education across the country. That one they make some comrades they're not able for study. That one they make beaucoup comrades, including me where they are. Me one bobo where I get, I put on a private school. Because for private school in day, then you see education standard don't fall. During the 11 years rule of the APC administration, education be done rotting at that country. It rotting till what they come up on them. If you get money, they don't have school, you know they go school. They don't have she send money at school. Parents say that you are the first student at the class. So education be done so rotten that in fact we get for take me boy and send them a private school. But from when President Bio make the pronouncement of free education, free and quality education at Salone, I take me boy back at Karangona Grammar School. For me, I put on a grammar school, I can't go na Pio. For me, it just did it and because the money been too much we have to spend. That one they make myself Akiledona are able to sleep. Because if you think about the lesson fee, you think about how much you pay for school fee for a year. That one they alone don't drain your whole body. But now if you see me body, they fine. If you see Aledo are able to sleep, another for pay school fee again, another for Yagba again, because governments don't come in and see how much it go pull Yagba with the combrade. Not to me no more. Plenty combrade across the country. What they say free quality, President Bio introduced free quality education. What happened? The classroom they overwhelmed. The number of people that were enrolled in school have been too much. So the question now when you go ask, who said them picking them in day? So it means that this 11 year of APC rule, you get them picking and still go sell market. You get them picking and still go on a farm. You get them picking and still in a house as domestic slave because the mama they know you get money for pay school fee. Because you go the ask say, teachers already introduce free quality education. The classroom they don't flop. Not only for Freetown, across the country. Me, when I go Kenema, the number of picking the way I see, the number of picking them where I see, and the excitement on the picking them for go school, it been too much. So long we say this part not being with this free quality education. Waiting for that happen to the future of them picking them there. Waiting for that happen to them parents them. Waiting for that happen from them community and families that where they come from. You know how many picking them be there at stake and their future, they picking their future, they almost be don't blink. Because they be there now us. But people they picking the wake up flop classroom now where they say free quality education. Who said they be there? They picking they be there now us. Some they go do business. Some they be don't marry themselves. They don't give it away. Because throughout the 11 years of APC rule, there not be one education. Why there not be one education? Mr. Lofambo, the way they listen. Me auntie where they listen me right now na Kenema. Because they say if you go book and you get small sense, they're not able to send on your brain. Anything where they tell you buy, you say don't read, you get the understanding. Nobody not go big fool you. So the only way APC system are the best thing for don't do. It's a lot with Yanka education. There are people that they no go book, they become big fool, they become doombe. Anything you tell them at this country, now they go by. We can't say we lie to them, now they go by because the people that are not educated. So now that makes them be try for kill education. So me and you and we begin them when they come up. They're not going to know nothing when they happen. They go can't see they can't check people, them blood, they can't hold their life for them. Nobody know they ask questions. Watching them tell them 9 they go with. But Mr. Don't famble them. At this point in time, I want for let we see them with the comrade and let we tell we Oja and tell God thank you for President Bio. Let we tell God thank you for this man. For the kind leadership quality where it don't show in at this country. It don't put your bapa we. SLPP government and Combra government. This is not the only government. We don't dedicate 21% of in GDP to education. It not ever happened in the history of this republic. Forget government. We take 21% of in GDP. They say this. Now for that, develop the human capital development. You know what I mean? For that, somebody say, I know they can't give you money for go flop this house, but they make you begin. You sister, you auntie, you uncle, made them build their IQ. You know what I mean? I mean, they want one survey whether they talk about which country gets the smartest people. I mean, people were outstanding when it comes to education and civility. Amongst them countries, and they take 50 countries them. And Sierra Leone, when I should have watch the story, Sierra Leone fall at number 8, thereabout. And I feel so proud. You know what I mean? For let people that are at the international stage, Mr. Lofambo, the way they watch the program right now, for let them to as people them where value, where respect education. This respect only they come to me right now because of His Excellency President Julius Maada Bio. The people that be don't lost respect in a salon. But good people that don't lost respect, particularly at the international stage. When you talk about salon, they say, they don't fall salon not to like that country all the dream. But right now, the respect don't begin get me salon for them. If one day pass or 2 days, making 3. You go hear Salona International News for the good reason. You go hear Salona International News for the good reason. Would I don't make that one day happen, that President Bio? So me, I just want for use this opportunity and tell President Bio, thank you, and me Combra, me comping Combra them. Particularly with the woman them. So tell them you see them and them, they can left most of the burden with the woman them. Particularly with the woman the way they upline. Now we get them picking them. Now we go market and go sell plasters for can make sure say we able to get money and go pay them to their school fee. Trade the man they left the body and then give we. So we man they go mining, they go mine, take better, they go come on. They go dig down most until they don't get better. If school fee not there, they direct picking in a school, the papa they say like can't sit on a house. Mama na they go make garden. Mama na they go na farm. So the bulk of that responsibility be rest on we, the woman them. So if this part don't put this yagba we. This part don't come, they don't put the begin to they buy call textbooks them. When you go to school, the other day she don't account to me. They said that's mama then supply books then today. All the call textbooks them will be almost one bend me, not free talk. Government care free. When I say free, I mean free. It bring a kind of us. I not believe me, guy. Say a 21st century like this, then can't share the happiness salon. Because we not don't use to for in the past 11 years. Then they rip we. Then they rip we, then they dry with blood, then our body. So they when me picking a seat, me sister and picking with them to me. Now they see this MPS. When me bobo is seat me bobo seat 2017. Now me bobo is seat. Where is it? The yagba will be there per week. First of all, the scratch card will go by me salon fabu them. That scratch card they tell we the other person don't use them. Imagine we go buy scratch card so go check internet for results. When we enter and they say another person don't use that scratch card. Then the kind have lucky whether APC government they put per week. The results go long card. They tell you say they go first na internet. That one then line you they go to map first forget the scratch card. When you get them back, you can't internet they down. When God make say the internet fit stay, it come on small. As it come on back, you enter. Then they tell you say this is how you don't go put money, you don't buy scratch card. They say you know they work. You know how much land they go want kill you? Imagine midway where they work, they get small thing. That one they almost want kill me. How about me until when they not kenema? When they fetch before you get a survivor for the day. Then you go pull that money just so know what if you can get exams. Then they tell you say they don't eat that one they back. You know which frustration that day? So when me sit down you say as part of President Bio equality where we add to education. And put your back with the them. This MPSC is also come on. It said no Combrano they pay Kobo. No Combrano they pay Shishi. No Combrano they pay nothing. No, and die so and so. In the beginning result. Now also they should also appear before you palm like magic. Which government they do that one day? Miss Alofabude. Will not get sense.
I will tell you.
The history of this republic. Who stay in that happy. So me, I just want to say, Sarah Leone,
my sister.
Direction. Sarah Leone, as far as education concerned, as far as picking the health concerned, Salon so now I use this opportunity as Salon Chipope, make a Salon President Bio for this Yagba we don't put a weed complaint, particularly me where she don't have.
Amen.
Particularly when it comes to education.
Thank you
so very much, Mahawa, for that brilliant explanation there where you did at the program. And remember, say if you just tune in the program where you listen to the social media review, where they come to you live from a Unity Broadcasting studio. And today the topic where we deal with now on the free quality education, we don't make under President Bio, we don't get international recognition. So we tell President Bio, thank you for that. So we continue with the program. That's Nami Mawa. Aliyu, where we just give your own background on the effects positively where the free quality education don't get in Salon and internationally. Well, we continue with the program and we'll come back to the other studio guests where now BW Bokari himself go talk on issues. And just imagine, I just want to highlight one or two issues them. One get for do it, just imagine, then just don't take the MPSC exam. First in the history of Sierra Leone, as Mr. Masakoi said, we get over 160,000, students, them, school pupils, them, we take to the MPSC. Wow. And our government pay all the money then they. Just imagine. Then approximately we get about 2,500,000 picking them in school, both primary and secondary school. Our government they pay all the money then they. Then you get the teachers them over 5,000 teachers that where they enroll minus the other one that will be done there. Then get PIN code and they add 30% on the salary. Oh my God, President Bio, you too exceptional. So I want to come in with BW Bokari for letting self give you analysis on this free quality education where President Bio when in flagship program na in manifesto 2018 manifesto promise we give and now we say on the see and say yes they don't yield food. One come with you now let you tell we I be want really make we go back outside the education system be dey. How much picking them be they go school? We make belle be bokute for them girl picking them. We make people and they get them picking them to married quick and become money not for let them put in school. When then they make the politicians and they use now for whole life on them say na black this way of course now white. All land the President Bio one can wipe them out. So how this free quality education don't create that scenario the way Sierra Leoneans then be get over the parents then be get for say if you pick not go school, if you're able for put you pick in school, make you go married. Or make it I go put on power that we're not fruitful. Over to you, Mr. Bokari, BW Bokari.
Yeah, thank you very much. You see, a really important that when I don't bring we on board from the Ministry of Information and Communication. And yeah, we not to lie with it at all. When you see me, brother, they go through figures, and these are authentic figures. We believe, say, we brother, we let it come on air, and I lie in it. Yeah, we all they talk now figures with the show, and we show you all the figures. If you don't believe, go prove them. Now, and one of the questions you co-host Jakima asked is, say, Usa Ubindi, we went in at the old school farm with them. Let's tell them something. Remember what I mean? They say Bailobari. They say Division Nickel. Then two people there are now of blessed memories. But then 10 and day, when they talk about education under the APC, they say Bailobari because na money business. They say Bailobari, you say Division Nickel. Division Nickel stood for education. And when they really try to make sure, say, by now, if we've been following the philosophy of Division Nickel, with the philosophy who surrounds Division Nickel, by now, we know for they talk about thousands of armed robbers, you know, because of the products of the APC mandate. We also see when EBK kind of power, what he tell we are not surprised when he say he get to run the country as a business. Meaning, he's just going back to that party will be then a power tradition. Key will be the talk, say, Bailobari, will then a money business. He will be the pan. But with the money business, will not see nothing. Now, the same thing where EBK can put for we back. It just continues from that end. You know, it can't tell people, they say, in they run the country as a business. So, far, they will go ask myself now, this business will don't run over 11 years. What's in the profit? Nothing. My brother also say, introduction of a free quality education. Quite honestly, now that phrase the way we fumble, they don't misunderstand, they misinterpret. When the public come in manifesto promise, when it can, it said it introduce free quality education, meaning that an ongoing process. You know, we just come today, it done today. But we found they say, this year, this is so quick, they want us to let all things done. That's a cosmetic business. 91. So then they feel say, when all things don't come, it don't this. If I don't finish by now, quick. Yeah. So we feel for ask yourself, which kind of education now will this government they really try for as a flagship program? Human capital development. It don't introduce the free quality education. One area I want to talk about now the area of exam malpractices, you know, that has been considerably reduced. We don't say it don't reduce them completely, because this particular time, when we say education, not education, when they make somebody at the end of the day, when they say you're a doctor, you go kill person in the hospital. When they say you're an engineer, you go build house, you not take it for them. Just because you don't engage in exam malpractices, you know. Now, from that 10 days to now, we talk about the number of beginning 2.5, and make I also inform when I say that 2.5 days, it increase every year. Every year they enroll. The enrollment figure it increase. Now because access to education, it don't deny. Of course, we don't talk about the school feeding. Let's just bring in the other areas and now where they really make them holistic. Like I man say, the education process not a one side number with the address. Boku other side towards making education very, very, very meaningful. Payment of subsidies, provision of core textbooks, of course, we don't talk about. Payment of public examination fees, MPSC, Medicare, WAS. Construction of TVEC institutions, technical and vocational institutions across the country. As I'm talking to you, 10 districts in the 10 don't get tech voc institutions. The others, government they try for refurbish or for maintain it. Like take the one for instance, na Mabroka Usabide. That one in a bush we don't grow there. Na snake they don't go inside it. Even the one that will be there, the small number will be there where they go land. Na nothing. Because me not facing anything. Now the government don't turn over. It don't say Then institution and they for refurbish them, they for renovate them, then they come back into use. We will also talk about creation of additional universities. The last three, all this one is geared towards education, the flagship program. The Kono University of Technology, you got the Milton Magai University of Technology, and of course, you get the other institutions and they where now the East wouldn't come together, wouldn't call the Eastern Polytech First Time, then say don't turn university. So that will make sure safe. First of all, it address one thing. It address the rural urban migration. How? People that will come out they boom, Kailan, bien, then they come for campus for university now. Now there is a university in the East, you can go there. There is another one in Kono, you go there. Then when in a free time, you also can. So you now get an opportunity for even make a choice of your own. So you see, holistic approach, increase in the number of recruitments. Like I tell people and say, this current government, with all the challenges with the teaching profession alone, they get over 35,000 teachers. Remember, no, before now, we are running in 2025, but now 35, 38, we are going to 40,000, including new recruits with PIN codes. The one that all will be left behind, where APC be left behind, when they say that they take them, they don't give them PIN code, we don't put them all on board, and they are now having it. Not to talk about the salary increase where they don't begin give them. You know, we also talk about anyway. This government here, they seem far. Now the future, now we really think about the student loan scheme. Student loan scheme, you know, it don't reach an advanced stage. Students are going to get the opportunity now for they apply. They're going to show them the method and they apply so that when you go, you get the education. When you come out back, you make an agreement, you work after some time, you pay back. You know, it ever happened before. That one day it happened now. Of course, my brother don't also talk about the feeding program. Where someone say, in fact, the other side about people they lie, they say, oh, His Excellency, he talks say, they feed all the Peking name in the country. Big lie. He not talk so. He mentions says school feeding. I mean, nutritionally, they keep the Peking strong. And because of food, also, where they make Peking and they go school because of lunch. Of course, for school fees, you know, I know we talk about. Some man can left school forever because you know you pay school fees. So all that one day government don't put on board. Then the kind of brother say, then we get to do a research where they really know which part of this country really where they angry. Ibokude, comparatively, if you don't start at the north, Koinadugu, Tokolili, and some parts of Bali, they don't come down at the south. You see this government here, it don't even start at the south and the east. So when they claim say yes, that was strong. It starts right up here and up. For sure, say yes. In a government of the people, is a government for Sierra Leone, not a government of one particular area. That particular northern area, they way some man go sit down there, even movement for that young people they make it very, very difficult. Now they saw development they go. Yeah. So with all these things put together, you see, we are moving towards sustainable development, sustainable human capital development. And make a tell on also that in the next 10, 15 years from now, hey, criminal activity get for reduced. Because all them people in Australia, when they go to school, they all get to go to school. And when you come out to all man, they go to university. You go there, at least a mid-level manpower. You go there when you go to a technical university or technical vocational institute, you will go there, you learn skills. So that when you come out, you will be able for at least find something for yourself. You don't go sit down a corner begin to say, hey, Papa, you bobo there and all the rest. Because this young president, he not the throw money for saying the pass meet your hey, he take bundle. If he can be do so, the way pass meet humanity, he take the bundle. That's what he said. So wait to up on them, then they go and fetch for him. This president say no, all this for stop. Now the future of the Peking, future of the people, them, future of the youth man, them, now we are concerned right now. And with time, we really get for approach this one, we get for really achieve something. Now we can say 10, 15 years from now. Of course, the result don't begin. You don't begin see me, brother, we go through the statistics of figures. the passes. Try to say result on common, but they say this free quality education to better free quality education. The free quality education don't start. It starts at a time where the APC we don't make people a summon, we don't pass exam way not correct. Then they before and that. Not to the one that they be now, because some of we definitely so now we don't begin that we fit for really. The APC we don't point we long take. Now some of we not tanga some of we get we will day like a today for able really estimate for we self and free with your family. Otherwise, we will not join that group. But from now onwards, that number of criminals that were in the country get for reduced because the government could get for make sure say they will provide opportunity for let all man get access to education. You get access to skills training so that tomorrow you don't blame anybody.
All right. Thank you so very much, BW Bokari, for that highlight we giving at the free quality education where President Biobi introduced the term where it be the campaign, and now we don't see the yield food. Thank you so very much. We go come in now with Mr. Kai, where himself go add in voice on this free quality education where they carry on, we don't get international recognition. Over to you, Mr. Kai.
Yeah, thank you, Elizabeth, and once again, welcome to We People Then, a Unity Broadcasting Land. Well, let's just bring some few things to attention where over time maybe we don't forget them, but we don't need for forget them. Under the APC regime, for teachers then, it reached to a point in this country for let you get pin code. You get for move Bona Tonkolili in a late Minister of Education, Minkailu Ba in home. You go find somebody there for adopt you. You begin work there. Only then you go get the guarantee for getting code. Yes, I get a friend we get for move a Bona Tonkolili. A force for almost change in complete identity just so that in 10 or so years we don't teach for no way. And this man, they say Dr. Michael Uba, now be a lecturer at University of Sierra Leone, from the college to be specific. If he introduce that kind of thing, they say two things. You will only get PIN code if you get APC party card, or you go to my home and also me and you will relate directly, else you know will get PIN code. Then you get to understand why education dropped to such a point that people we don't lose confidence in Sierra Leone education system that wherever you take document, it happened to a lot of people. You wash paper, you go Ghana, they go get for ask you for receipt day before they accept you for enter the college or university. So you get to understand the point to which APC destroy education in this country. Now you come back to the beginners where they go school. Now let me check the streets, like where Mawa been cited earlier. You go notice the number of Pekin will be in a street will be in the serve. It don't drastically drop because of two factors. One, the free and quality education. Two, the Hands of Our Girls project. These two programs don't make Pekin they don't move from the street and go back to school. Because one, the Hands of Our Girls project, they make sure they go after anybody we know they prioritize Pekin education, rather they make them to invest for go spend money for an encounter now. Second, the free and quality education will make them free that you know go for pay school fees. And a large part of the country, especially in the northern part, you know they buy uniform, government they provide. You know they buy exercise and textbooks, government they provide. Then people left with no option but to say, look, let we send we Pekin in our school. And guess what? Even when the program began, the APC party, because of they no want let people gain quality education in this country, they begin discourage people, say, when you go sign for them book here, you take them. After 1-2 months, government will come after you, then will arrest you. Now that's the target. A lot of people begin afraid. For good, yes. A lot of parents then begin afraid. They say they never go take the textbook, they never go take the uniform, they never take the exercise book because they say they will get for pay for a way, you not pay, they will arrest your parents. We get for take that time again for they go round for go educate people. Say, no way. Everything with President you don't come with way attached to education. Now you right as a Sierra Leonean, and for you They be don't promise them and account them so that we go land, so that the APC, where then they take them picking and they send them abroad for go land and tell you say education not important, just they be with the alapai your body. They don't want let you picking back land so that it will free you from the bondage they don't keep you in. So when I go and take their materials and some of we give with numbers into parents and say, if anybody asks you for coin for them free quality education materials here, just call we. You go there where we go make sure say anti-corruption go can they go gather around the voter. The